Hey everyone, so we did a market run and I think I bought way more than I needed to, but I got these tomatoes from Mega Maxi, 99¢. I got some fresh strawberries. This side over here is all strawberries, the other side is cherry tomatoes. Both of them was $1. Pineapple $1.50. And I got some turnip roots, 99¢. Bag of bread, $1. Papaya, large papaya for $2. Champagne mangoes, $1. And I got a variety.
$1 for
$5.
$1 for $5. Okay.
Yeah. A variety of plums. So these are the hard ones with the seed in it, $1. These are the sweet ones, sweet red. And I got some green ones down under here. That was $1 as well. Wait a minute. Here we go, right here. So a bunch of plums. And a bag of peas. A pack of blueberries for $1. And the grapes was $1.50.
For a pound.
For a pound. And I think that is it. So today was a good day. I don't know the total. I really 2, 3, 5, 6, 50, 7, 50, 8, 9, 10, $11 for all of this. So this morning I'm going to peel these shredded, make us ginger and turmeric shots, beet juice, tomato sauce. I'm going to be making maybe some mango salsa. I got my grapes and tomatoes and strawberries, but I think I'm going to make a fruit salad. That sounds even better. So I have quite a bit of for compost. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm roasting bell peppers and onion for my tomato sauce. Yeah. I already roasted my garlic, so stay tuned. Okay, so I've added everything in the blender and put a sprig of rosemary in there. I'll put my thyme and oregano when I put it on the stove. So let's pause. Hold on, that's not working. Okay, just so you know, I forgot to put the thing in here. Okay, let's try this again. Pause. I wanted a little bit chunky, so let's see. So I decided I didn't want it that chunky, so I'm pouring it into the skillet. Cooking it. Let it come to a boil, and then I add my herbs to it. So I'm adding my oregano and thyme. And it's splattering. Okay. I've been in the kitchen for a minute, so here's my salsa. Here's my beet, carrot, spinach juice. Here's my tomato sauce that just finished. And here's our ginger turmeric juice. I made a lot in that one, so it's a lot. But a shot a day keeps the doctor away. And next, I'll be working on my fruit salad. Okay, so I cut the mango. It's not going in the fruit salad. It's too stringy. It's overripe. And I'm not a fan of stringy mangoes. So that would not be going in the fruit salad. I have pineapples, grapes, and strawberries. I also decided to make strawberry preserve. So I'm gonna boil that down and put them in a jar so we can have strawberry preserve. Okay, so this is the fruit salad. All of them fit, so I will be having some for dinner. This is the strawberry jam preserve. It's nice and thick. I'm boiling my water for the jar to sterilize it and to get it popping. And then I want to sit my ass down because I'm tired. Okay, so I was able to get one jar, and I don't know, that's like a fourth of it, but it tastes so good, y'all. So proud of myself. I've been in this kitchen for about 4 or 5 hours, just prepping and cooking and putting everything together. And I haven't even cooked dinner, so that's next. I lied. I thought I was going to go sit down, but I need to make dinner. Okay, so I have some chicken breast, and I'm just cutting it off the bone. I'm going to sear it in the pan, and we're gonna go from there. So Steve is taking his famous fried noodles.
You have to put an egg on there.
Just move to the side and you can scramble it in. Start. Okay. All right, here we go.
Normally we do that first.
That's all right. Just let it, don't put it in there, let it cook first. So they can get ready. Now turn your oil up. Get it bubbling. There you go. All right now. Separated like we used to at the hibachi grill. This my portion. This is portion.
I need to add a little more to my portion.
Okay, so now we're plating.
I don't call it plating.
Oh my gosh, you can see that he just
put
throws
some
it up
chicken
there.
on her noodles.
All right, so this is our dinner for tonight. I think my presentation would have been a little bit better, but you know, men don't care. They just ready to eat. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Have a good night. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.